How to track your meal on Myfitnesspal. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, go ahead and install the Myfitnesspal application, easily available in your Play Store or App Store. Tap open once installed. You will have to log in or sign up to your Myfitnesspal account. You will see an interface like this. To track your food on your application, tap on Diary. Here you can add your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, exercise, and water intake. Tap on Add Food starting with breakfast. Select your meal or search for your meal as well. Once it is added, move on and add your food for lunch. Select any one from the suggestion or search for your own. Once the lunch is logged, now select for dinner. You can just tap on My Meals or My Recipes at the top. Then also select a snack if you have munched on anything in between the time period. Once it is logged as well, head back and select exercise. Select any one from these three. Just tap on any of the exercise and tap on try for free or just log the exercise. Then just like that, log your water intake. Once you are done, tap on nutrition. It will let you know the total nutrient value of every meal that you ate and also the net calorie and remaining calorie too. And just like that, you'll be able to track your food on your application. Is it as simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.